Well, sure, I'm glad I found this brand new rain suit in the trash the other day. It's coming down here about an inch an hour. We got a tropical storm sitting here in Savannah, which they ain't said the tropical storm, but it is rain coming down hard. I mean, it is pouring down rain. It is flooding. It's only been raining about 15 minutes. But I sure am glad I got this rain suit out of the trash. Coveralls and all. Very good. Rain, go away. Come back another day. Goodbye, you platypus. Platypus. Oh, we missed the panda. Got a little crash here. Right here, the Truman Parkway. 4 vehicles involved. Right on the Eisenhower coming on the Truman Parkway, 4 vehicles.